smash those like and subscribe buttons for more content. Thank you. Hey everybody, today's video I'm going to sit here and show you how to take one of these or device similar to that so you can connect a device like this or an Xbox or similar device and connect it to your PC to set up your Streamlabs or OBS software or whatever streaming software you have, so you can have your overlays and have a really cool presentation. So stick with me. So to send the video from your console to your PC, the quickest and easiest way is to get an Elgato card. And there's a bunch of capture cards, but you're going to need either an internal one that's going to go into the PC and get installed and have software set up for it, or an external one that's going to allow you to have a connection. In either case, you're going to have an HDMI in that's going to go from your console and an HDMI out that's going to go to your PC. So one thing you do have to do on the PlayStation is if you're connecting this, you have to go in and disable HDCP, and you'll do that in the system settings on the PlayStation 4. Okay, and this is my setup. Again, I've got the internal card, so you're going to go from the console to the in on the internal card. And again, the output is going to go to your TV or whatever your display is that you're playing the video game on. All right, quick recap here. So you've got your card plugged in, the drivers are installed if it's an internal card. You are running your HDMI from your PlayStation or your console to the card. It's going from the card to your display. And then what you should see is this in your recording software. So for this example, I'm using Streamlabs OBS or SLOBS. You can also use OBS Studios or any other program out there. Basically, at this point, you're going to now transition and put in your overlays. Okay, so I'm going to do this in Streamlabs OBS. It's very similar in other programs. You're going to go and start a new one. Then you're going to go to your sources. You're going to add a source. We're going to go to video capture device. We're going to add a new source instead if you've got existing ones. Name it whatever you want. Then once you add the source, you'll go in and you'll select the game capture for 60K Pro if you've got the internal or whatever it shows up. If you've got the external one, you'll go ahead and you'll notice down at the bottom you've got your audio. You'll go ahead and select that. Now we'll go ahead and add a new video or an image here. So just select image. I'm going to go navigate over to the VIP, select that, resize it for you. But again, this is where you're going to put your overlays in on top, set up your other things. It's important to note the capture card will send from HDMI the audio, so that should be coming across and you can see that in your mixers. So check that out. Also, we'll put some more videos out about how to set up various themes or templates that you've got for your Streamlabs or your Streamlabs OBS or whatever program. We'll show you how to set those up and get even better content out to your adoring fans. Thanks for watching.